Hi everyone, another video from Advancing Car. So today I've been working on this 2023 Golf 8 that is come from our local car dealer, actually, our local VW dealer, Breeze. They've obviously, one of their customers asked for a reversing camera. So that's what I've done today. I've replaced the original emblem, which obviously just works as it does, opening the boot things, with the new one that still obviously opens the boot, but inside it has the little camera that then kind of pops out once it opens the emblem like that, and then you get your reversing camera and it all works as it should do, like all the other ones really. So what we'll do is we'll show it all working and we'll give you a little run through of everything inside and go from there. Right, so because it's obviously all genuine gear and everything like that, it all connects into the car where it should do with all its various can lines and things like that. And so it then interacts nicely with all your main displays. So where you would have had parking sensors before and we had a full overlay of the parking sensors, we will now, once we start it up and put it into reverse, the camera will pop out and we've now got our reversing image. And as soon as we take the handbrake off, obviously the parking sensors still work on the right hand side the way they did before with their sweeping lines and everything, and we've obviously got our guidelines moving on the actual camera itself. The nice thing about these cameras is you also get your second view, which is like a wide angle view. So if we press that, we then get a much wider angle. So this is great for if you're reversing up your drive, you've got two walls, or say you're in a supermarket, cars either side of you, things like that. Obviously it distorts the image so you don't get your parking lines, but it's still a really useful view. The camera then stays on between reverse and drive for all your manoeuvring and everything, and then as soon as you're done manoeuvring and you pull away, it'll turn off the same way your sensors did before, so you don't have to worry about pressing anything to turn anything off. So that's it really. It's just a really nice add-on to, even though this car's actually got a base spec car, it's a really good thing to have added to your car, and works a treat and does everything it should do. So there we go, another job for our local dealer, and this customer is going to be dead happy with everything we've done. So if you're interested with something similar, get in touch, have a look at all our website and have a look at all the socials and everything, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.